Hello, chat.
Hello. Hey.
Hey. What are you looking for?
Just lotus.
Lotus?
But just look this one nice, huh?
Yeah. You can live in here, right? Yeah, nice. See the color.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's match, yeah.
Yeah, it match. You can stay in here.
What is banana?
Banana.
Banana. What?
Let's go out.
Lotus.
Lotus? No lotus?
Maybe lotus is somewhere there.
Yeah, all kind of berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. Raspberry in Swedish is hallon. No lotus?
No.
No.
We have to go.
Another place?
The one.
Another one? I don't think you will find.
No,
lotus.
they have that in there.
Sure?
In last time we went there.
Uh-huh.
You know where? Hobbies.
Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
Now again?
Yeah.
Another place.
Yeah. Come
Okay.
follow us.
Yeah, more plants.
Yeah.
But now you are looking again for lotus.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Lotus?
Yeah. How much is?
I don't know. 149, 189. No, you have it?
Yeah.
Show? Yeah, this and this.
Yo.
Okay, now today you are going to install it?
Yeah. Bye, go home. Hey.